In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Excel file into a Google Sheets file. So let's get started, and we're going to do this by going to our drive right here. So go to your Google Drive, and what we're going to do first is to upload that Excel file. Go to File, Upload. Then go ahead and select the file that you want to upload. So this is the Excel file that I want to upload. Just select it and go to Open. Now it's uploading that Excel file, and here we have it. If we try and open this, this is what it's going to look like. And again, you'll see that it's still in Excel format. Now for us to have this or convert this into a Google Sheet format, what we're going to do would be to go to File right here in the menu bar and select Save as Google Sheets. If you click on that, here we have that Excel format converted into a Google Sheet format. So it's no longer an Excel format, and this is what it's going to look like. Now there's another way to do that. Let's just go back to our Google Drive. You'll see that we have two files now. We have the Excel format and the Google Sheets format. Now there's another way to do it. Let me just delete these. Before we do try and upload that Excel file, what we're going to do is to go to Settings right here, select Settings, then scroll down and go to Uploads. Here we have it. We're just going to tick on this box, which would say Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format. If we click on that, then go back and try and upload that same file again, that Excel file. Click on it and click on Open. You'll see that it will automatically convert that Excel file into a Google Sheet file. And there you have it. We've successfully converted that Excel file into a Google Sheets file. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.